What's going on, y'all? Listen, I want to keep this whole make money thing simple because a lot of people are making it super complex, right? So, what I do is once I have the product, so affiliate mentor is the product. Really quick, this is a traffic affiliate offer. So, they have some AI courses in here, they have some other marketing training depending on what product you get. Start with Spark, it's only going to cost you $25 one time, guys. So there's a lot of education in here. And on the back end, there's actually there's actually traffic. So you're gonna get a few things. You're gonna get your own links. So you don't even need a domain name right out the box. You're gonna get a landing page which is gonna collect your leads, whole AI software, and you're gonna get a sales pages that's going to actually sell the product. Here's Spark right here, guys. So every time you cycle, I'm gonna explain that soon, you get another course pretty much. So you're gonna come out of pocket one time and you're gonna keep making money and keep unlocking new courses. The first course is only 26 minutes. Pretty decent. But I'm also gonna put you guys in my AI Academy for free, which is usually $25 a month. So you're gonna get a bang for your buck. But there's other products you can upgrade to. Like if you come to this core and you do this fast start training, they're going to show you the other products that they have, guys, right? You have to purchase the product to get resale rights. So if someone comes in, joins Spark, and then they decide to join VIP and you're not a VIP, you will miss the commission, but it's okay. And then the last product that they have, which is something that a lot of you in digital marketing, if you're in it, know nothing about, and it's traffic. So what you can do literally with websites like Traffic Authority is come in here, put your link, and pay. Like right here, you get a benefit where you can do it monthly. Usually it's like a one-time payment. If you get VIP, you get 50% discounts on traffic. So you can literally come in here and say, hey, I'm gonna pay this 145 a month. I'm gonna put my link, which my link is the landing page where they collect the email. I can put it in here, purchase, and literally they'll start sending people to my page. Literally, real buyers will come to my page. Some will opt in. You might get some sales. It's not like guaranteed sales, but you're gonna have people come into your page outside of posting reels and stuff all day. Because that's all I literally do. I come in here, I use ChatGPT, I pay $20 a month for it, and I literally make reels that a lot of you are seeing on social media. And the biggest skill that I learned is how to speak to my audience. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys in the academy, how to speak to my audience, and I just stay consistent. I mean, $25 for the affiliate product, $20 a month for this mega marketing tool, ChatGPT. So you're talking $20 a month off rip to have a powerhouse where you can just sit literally and make content all day and just keep posting it and help people. The biggest sauce that I'm gonna leave you and we're gonna get out of here, guys, is a lot of people make this too hard. Like I even post a lot of stuff and it's just like, why am I posting all this stuff? If you want to make money, you go get an opportunity that allows you to give opportunity. Simple. I don't even care if you're buying a product. See, a lot of you buy stuff every single day and you get no perk for that. You get nothing for that. This is something you can spend your money on literally and it can keep paying you. You pay 25. This is how this works. You pay $25 to purchase this AI Academy, so to say, right? This business model I picked for you newbies specifically because a lot of other products are heavy recruiting products, meaning you'll make money, but like on the back end, the real power, it takes a lot of work. Here is a cycler, meaning, all right, if I get a sale like you see, they're gonna fall on here. I'm gonna get rewarded nothing. If my sponsor, my business partner who got me into this makes 5 sales right now, they're gonna all fall in these positions as well. Meaning I made one sale and he made the other ones. And what's gonna happen is when all these spots are filled, it's gonna pay you $50. And it's gonna pay him $25. And then it's going to It pays out like $100 altogether. It's going to take that other $25 and purchase this again. It's pretty much going to purchase the next course, and you're going to keep recycling this with the same core group of people, and we're going to be adding new people every single month. And then, like, I really want to make a lot of noise in this product because a lot of you are going to have that budget, and then we're going to upgrade to VIP, which is $297 one time and unlocks more education. But that matrix pays out $500 every 6 people. So this is a nice seed money. This is a nice starter program. And this is a nice place to even go invest into traffic, like I showed you guys. So if you have a main product, a main funnel, you can use this to fund that as well. But I just think this is a great income stream. Honestly, it's more fun for me because you can wake up with sales, you can wake up with cycle money, you can wake up with money by just introducing a few people to this. In the other spaces, I'm telling you guys, in the other spaces of network marketing, it takes a lot of people, it takes a lot of understanding. This compensation is simple. 6 people, you get paid, your sponsor gets paid as well. You bring in 5 people, they cycle, you get paid, they get paid as well. You bring in 5 people, those people are going to land on your other people's matrices, and it's going to help them as well. So if you're brand new, that's okay. So all the information will be in the description, guys. And like I said, whoever gets started watching this video, I'm not sure how long I'm gonna have this promo, is going to get put in my AI course for free, and the price is going to actually go up on my AI course. Right now it's only $25 a month and like $100 some dollars a year. But the more that I keep putting in there, it's gonna go up, guys. So this is a crazy bonus. I mean, $25 you can't lose.